Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Vybz Kartel is distancing himself from rumors of an East African tour in May 2026. In a social media post, the king of dancehall sought to clarify the rumors, stating that neither he nor his management have any knowledge of or involvement in any such tour. No East African shows have been announced or confirmed by his team. He went on to say that any individual, promoter or platform claiming to be booking or advertising these shows are acting without authorization and are misleading the public. Now, fans, promoters and venues are strongly advised not to engage with or send money to anyone making such claims, as these may be scams. Vybz Kartel is advising members of the public that all official announcements regarding his appearances and tours will come directly from his verified platforms or from his authorized representatives only. The God is the Greatest singer issued a stern warning, saying that anyone falsely using his name to promote unauthorized events will be dealt with accordingly. American rapper Fabulous to headline Vacay weekend. The state minister eagerly anticipates its return to Ocho Rios.
This year, Fabulous is the headliner, but we have Malidan, we have Armani, we have a lot of local talent.
CEO of 2014 Limited, Andrew Ellis, unveiled the artist lineup for this year's staging of Vacay weekend on Wednesday evening. The event is slated to take place in Ocho Rios. Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seavright, says the return of the weekend-long series of events will help to boost the economy in St. Ann following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa.
What Vacay weekend is doing is catalyzing the entire economy of Ocho Rios and the St. Ann communities. Why? Because they're bringing people from Kingston, from Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth to party and have a good time. But beyond that, they're bringing people from Florida, New York, Atlanta, London, Toronto, who are going to enjoy themselves.
Now, on the international scene, Britney Spears facing a court date for a suspected DUI, according to a law enforcement source. Booking information shows the Highway Patrol arrested her north of Los Angeles Wednesday night, and she was released Thursday morning. A representative for Spears calls the incident inexcusable. The person says the singer hopes to get help and make changes in her life. Spears is due in court on the 4th of May. Now, Stefan Diggs has spoken out for the first time following the announcement that he was released from his 3-year contract with the New England Patriots. It was reported Wednesday that the NFL wide receiver would not be fulfilling his entire contract and will be formally released next week. Diggs addressed the news on Wednesday on his Instagram story with the caption, "Thank you for a hell of a year. We family forever, the Patriots, until we meet again." The football player first signed a $63.5 million contract last year with the Patriots and was a key component in leading the team to this year's Super Bowl, where they ultimately lost to the Seattle Seahawks. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.